Hold your horses, hold your horses, hold your horses. Jeez. Haven't you heard of the Nubia Redmagic 9 Pro? Okay, let me just gist you. If you were a gamer and you actually want to start creating some content on your smartphone, or you want to take your gaming to the next level and you probably don't want to go the PC way, Redmagic is actually the thing for you. This phone actually has a very cool cooling fan inbuilt in the phone, which doesn't make the phone heat whilst you are gaming. You can actually game for hours, and it has a big battery, 6500 milliamp hours, which is going to last you very, very long whilst gaming. And then also it beats the Samsung S24 Ultra and then iPhone 15 Pro Max when it comes to gaming. So in case you were a gamer, you have your phone there, maybe you have your other phone there, and then you don't want to waste when you're gaming with all those other phones like the iPhone and S24, definitely the battery is actually going to drop with time because it wasn't really meant for gaming. If you want to get into the gaming section or the gaming sector, you want to do gaming on your smartphones, get the Redmagic phone, and it's actually going to help you. Someone might be asking, how am I going to get the Redmagic from Nigeria or Ghana? So in case you want to get it, I won't lie to you. I'm going to spill the truth to you. Let someone out there in the States or the UK buy it for you. Don't buy it from Nigeria or Ghana because they're going to double the price for you. Actually, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to spoil your markets, but that's the real truth. You make them buy it for you and you give it to someone who is coming to your country, and then you meet the person at the airport and then you take it. That's very good. Or they can even ship it through DHL. That is even much cheaper than you trying to buy it down here. Trust me, even I'm not gonna say DHL. Let someone bring it to you directly because I don't really trust them. Yeah, sorry, I don't really trust them, but that's the truth. Okay, so Redmagic is actually very great, and in some couple of weeks or months, maybe I might be getting mine too. So why would you even spend much money on a phone like that? You can make money of it because when you game, you can just screen record it and then you can just post it back on your socials, or you can even live stream whilst you're gaming and you are going to be able to just post it on your socials, and it's going to help you. Trust me, there are a lot of people making money of it. I know one guy myself, Elmich, you can just check, this is his name on YouTube, you can just check it. You can see him posting some couple of games he's been playing lately, and then he's actually starting to cash out bits, and it's really helping him. When you get his channel, don't forget to subscribe though, and you can also start something like that, and you can be at your comfort place, or you can be doing something you really like most, and then you'll be making some money off it. Trust me, TikTok is starting to pay, and if you get to my channel too, you're going to be able to know how to create a paying TikTok account. Actually, that's what I should say. So just try it out, and don't forget to follow my page, and also when you get to my YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of things you guys are really going to like, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Did I just kiss you guys? Peace.